What's up, guys? How you all doing? Welcome to my channel, the Crypto Info and Update channel. Now today I'm going to be briefly dwelling on crypto arbitrage. Then I will narrow it down to Bitcoin arbitrage. All right. So now, like we all know, or like some of us may know, crypto arbitrage trading is profitable. All right, it's profitable. It's profitable in the sense that it can give you instant profit. All right, it can give you instant profit. But one thing you have to note is it becomes even more profitable if you are using a sizable amount of capital. All right, if you're using a sizable amount of capital, because that will actually give you a better return. You understand? Like someone using $10 to run arbitrage trading won't make much money when compared to someone using $2,000 or $3,000. Do you understand? So what is crypto arbitrage trading? Simply, crypto arbitrage trading is a type of crypto trading strategy that capitalizes on the price difference of a crypto asset between different exchanges, between different crypto exchanges. Let me reiterate. Crypto arbitrage trading is a type of crypto trading strategy that capitalizes on the price difference, that is the difference in price, all right, of a specific crypto asset, okay, of a specific crypto asset on different crypto exchanges. So the crypto asset here could be Bitcoin, it could be Ethereum, it could be Monero, whatever. All right, any coin. It depends. Do you understand? So, like, what is generally known out there where crypto arbitrage is concerned is let's say Ethereum now. All right. Let's say you want to buy it, you want to do arbitrage trading on Ethereum. So you look at Ethereum's price on Binance. Okay, you take note of it. Although it changes, it changes almost instantly. But if you look at the price, when you look at Ethereum's price on Binance, and you look at Ethereum's price on KuCoin, for example, and you notice a slight difference in their prices of the same crypto asset, which is Ethereum, that slight difference, you can capitalize on it to make profit. Do you understand? So if for example the price of Ethereum on Binance is lower than the price of Ethereum on KuCoin, then in that case you can buy Ethereum quickly. You have to do it quickly. You can buy Ethereum from Binance at that lower price on Binance and transfer it to your KuCoin account instantly. When you transfer it to your KuCoin account, you sell it there. Okay, so in other words, because the price is higher, a little bit higher in KuCoin. Do you understand? Just as a case study now. So in other words, I'm saying you buy, if Ethereum's price on Binance is lower and the same Ethereum price on KuCoin is higher, you buy it at the market price on Binance immediately. Then you transfer to KuCoin and sell it immediately and make profit. Now your profit is coming from that slight difference in the price of Ethereum between Binance and KuCoin. You understand? So that's arbitrage trading. That's what is generally known. Do you understand? Now, this very Bitcoin arbitrage I'm talking about doesn't work that way. Do you understand? It doesn't work that way. This is this Bitcoin arbitrage trading, you can implement it on Binance, you could implement it on Bitmart, you could implement it on KuCoin and a few other exchanges. You understand? So for this study, I'm just using KuCoin, this KuCoin exchange. Do you understand? This KuCoin exchange. Okay, so this is KuCoin Exchange. If I know, if let me just show you something. Though I won't, I won't talk more on this because I have a course on it. And if you need it, if you need that course, you just write me. I will drop my personal link, my Telegram personal link on in the description of this video. You can write me from there. Do you understand? So this is KuCoin Exchange. Okay. So let's say you want to. Let me show you something. You just click on market. Okay. You click on market. Then you just go to Bitcoin. Do you understand? So from here you can come up with, you can implement Bitcoin arbitrage. Do you understand? You can implement Bitcoin arbitrage. Now arbitrage generally is you taking advantage of difference in price of a particular crypto asset on on different exchanges, on two or more exchanges. Do you understand? So that's just arbitrage, crypto arbitrage trading in summary. Do you understand? So you could use, but for Bitcoin arbitrage trading, you are not just making money like in terms of dollar value. Do you understand? You're not just making money in terms of dollar value. I'm talking about Bitcoin arbitrage trading now as a strategy. You're actually increasing the amount of Bitcoin you have, not just not just not just capitalizing on price difference. You make profit from the price difference and you exit. Do you understand? On different, you capitalize on the price difference of a particular crypto asset on two exchanges, on two different exchanges. You make profit from there and you exit. You are done. No, in this case you are actually growing your Bitcoin. In this Bitcoin arbitrage trading, you're actually growing your Bitcoin. You understand? The other example I gave, which is the general crypto arbitrage trading that we know it, in that one, it happens instantly. If you have to be fast enough, okay, and you have to have sizable capital. Do you understand? Although in this case, you should have sizable capital, but even if you don't have sizable capital, with $500 you can start. You can use it as capital. Do you understand? $200 too, you can use as capital. But if you have bigger amount of capital, it will be more profitable for you. Do you understand? So in this case, you are not just making money in terms of dollar value. In Bitcoin arbitrage trading, you are growing your Bitcoin. Let's say the Bitcoin you bought, you could turn your, let's say the Bitcoin you bought with your capital is 0. Let's just say 0.015. Do you understand? 0.015 is what is the Bitcoin you bought at first with your capital when implementing this Bitcoin arbitrage trading. Now you could turn that 0.015 Bitcoin you bought initially, you could turn it to, let's say, 0.019 or even 0.2 or even 0.02 or 0.025, depending on your capital and depending on other minor factors. Do you understand? You could do this within 1 month. You could turn your 0. I'm just for example, okay, you could turn your 0.015 Bitcoin to 0.019 within 1 month, or 0.017 within 1 month, or 0.02 or 0.025 or even 0.03 or 0.05 or 0.09, whatever. Do you understand? It could happen within 1 month, it could happen within a few days, it could happen within 2 months, within 3 months. Do you understand? But in all, what I'm saying is, when you implement the Bitcoin arbitrage trading strategy, what is actually happening is you are growing your Bitcoin. Okay, you are growing your Bitcoin. You are not just making money in terms of dollar value. Yes, your dollar value, the dollar value of your Bitcoin increases or decreases based on what the market price of Bitcoin is per time. Okay, but aside that, your Bitcoin, the amount of Bitcoin you have is actually increasing over time, not instantly, please, not instantly. It's increasing over time. Okay, so your one Bitcoin, let's say you have one Bitcoin, Your one Bitcoin could become 2 Bitcoin or 3 Bitcoin, or your one Bitcoin that is over time. It could take months. All right, it depends. There are a number of factors. Number one being a sizable income, a sizable capital, and a few other factors. Okay, your one Bitcoin could become 1.1 Bitcoin within 1 month. Okay, it could become 1.05 Bitcoin. It could become one. It could become your one Bitcoin could become 3 Bitcoin over time, in a few days or in a few months. Do you understand? So, like I said, it depends on a few factors like a sizable capital and just a minor other factors, okay, added to your sizable capital that you are using. Do you understand? So, it's a very profitable strategy, very, very profitable arbitrage strategy. This is completely different from what you have always known when it comes to crypto arbitrage. Do you understand? So, like I said, I have a course that is dedicated to these aspects. Okay, that is dedicated to Bitcoin arbitrage. You understand? So if you want the course, it goes for a fee. If you want it, I'll drop my Telegram direct link in the description of this video. You can just write me from there. Do you understand? You can write me from there to get it. So that is it. There are no much talk about this. There are no much talk about this. So this is completely different from the normal crypto arbitrage trading you've always known. Okay, so I don't want this video to be too long. So that is it for now. The whole thing in detail is well explained in the course itself. Okay, I can't put it out in the public. Do you understand? Can't put it out in the public. So it's well explained in the course. You understand? You need to just grab it. Once you grab it, you run with it. You see yourself, growing your Bitcoin. Do you understand? You grow your Bitcoin in real time, over time. Oh, you grow your Bitcoin in real time, over time, not instantly. Please, you have to note that. Okay, so you will need patience. You need to be very patient. Yeah, that is it. So that will be all for now for this video. So if you need to reach me, I will drop my direct personal link for Telegram in the description of this video. It will be the first link in the description of this video that you will see, the first link. So with that link, you can write me or contact me on Telegram and we talk more. Do you understand? So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I have a lot more videos to publish moving forward. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel. It's very, 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 very important. It's important for you in terms of not missing out on important strategies and updates. It's also important for me as an encouragement to keep publishing more videos. Do you understand? So hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out, so that you stay notified. Okay, so catch you guys later. Peace out.